Hello everyone, Drew Daniel back here. Today I'm going to be building a Lego Minion, as you can see. So this is just the basic part and structure of it. So some of these parts are optional, you can get creative because the Minions are all funny and cute little dudes. So let's hop right into the building and the pieces you need. So these are the pieces you are going to need. Some of these are definitely optional, just be creative. Like, I use these two 1x4s just because I don't have another 2x4. But other than that, you're probably fine with whatever, as long as you have colors. If not, it's also fine, just be creative. So you're going to need a 2x2 blue, two 2x4s, or just something that can imitate that, and 2 1x2s, 3 1x2 yellows, 3 2x2 yellows, 1 1x4 or 2x4, my bad, yellow, 1 gray transparent 1x2, and 4 1x2 blacks. So to start off this build, we're going to take, this one has to be a 2x4 to start with, this one has to be. Unless you're a genius with Legos. Take your 2 1x2 blacks with little feet. Then add another layer. So you should have that. So these are like the overalls. And then you take your 2x2, put it there. Then take 2 of your yellow 2x2s. Make kind of like arms. You just gotta trust the process. I know it looks kind of ugly now. So just a little basic build that y'all catch up in case you're falling behind, just right here. Then you are going to want to take your black leftover 1x2s and put them here for their hands. And then you're gonna take these for his overalls. I'm starting to forget. I don't have like a picture or anything. It's all from memory. So you're gonna have this. You can start seeing it take shape. Then you're gonna take your other 2x4, put it right here, and then take a yellow 1x2 and put it at the back. And then your gray 1x2 transparent there. And then on the sides. And then you're going to take your 2x4 yellow, put it on top, and there you have it, a Lego Minion. So, thanks for watching, y'all have a great day. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment if you enjoyed the video. See y'all next time, bye.